Hi, this is Bima Ubibia Aquaba. I had it latest and hot music one. And I'm the Bremo MT Sawinian subscriber. Yeah, Obadia say over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say over click the subscribe button. Now, what barely notification. We understand new video be uploaded. When the first person I was Abeka ASR video, I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Sheba Ato Forson when you be here now and summer also Ghana Memoharo. Afi Yangura and summer Abetoya Ponoso. Iti ASR reporting Sansabi Akosi. Iti Summer Akosi.
Minia, a Tabia, say, Penny, Ewu, not Boakye Annan, if you inside Asa. And I say, Penny will feel so. That's a one kasa. Ebuchiano, etimitosi. Na ya wampenifo fi na ya paoma anye juma ni aye waba nka enrano eno ene beba. Na ni enti enra mi ti ni ya say na ye waba den owo sa kokudri nyina na over 30 years on na me nti enra na ni je mi dai pa. Yebenya akukudrufo na omo add constitution na no a minia yembre waka or say parliament ayenade na me ade no see October 8 make I me say Supreme Court bekasa o na law mu no yetimika say legislation be that was 30 book legal news and make I say that decision here at the Supreme Court Parliament and sign Juma. And I want to mean cite Obia for contempt because one can understand. One will need jurisdiction.
Speaker of Parliament. Omame kuma to me yem me ada me pe bema wakukudru na right honorable speaker aban sumana Bagbin o kansam ni nyina ba lawyer Kweku Annan Asare, former director Ghana Law School of Law ewa homana so akra wote men kan ma che
yeah apomwe
Wadaro ma me ho ye dodo na won so
oh nyame adom me ho ye pa na oh
ya obadi adaro ma obi ya ho ye bada menya we ma menda radio for that say menya jebi mo betimi esomo ho na matoa so ai akra enra me gidi ye se speaker kasa no utwitie kakra
Utie ni na. You.
Ene enkomo no be de ni na. Wada ma de di kan ni ye ni mu no uhu sen, uhu ne kasa ne sen.
Oh, ne kasa da be kitwe di na. You dey feel na where they know you too strong. The connection between judiciary and the executive no. Ba we you no fima Bibi okaye no Getrude ya tema etesenka oman no ntse ugri kase na yewra speaker camera no ndane ko nia menku se ni video mum da mum mekem 70 nia menku ni se nia boye man no sycophancy and a blind loyalty. Na sycophancy ni blind loyalty na ama bibi kwa yehu adenti na yehu yemma yebusuafo omo aban mu omo yedma e wa aban mu aban ni wan aban ni me no enti no titete ye nya de hu ko gram sa na no man ko ya ye ntumi nka ye mpanyinfo asebe esese nka nya ye wa ba de nka nura no wo mu ka titete and tackle Abeto you about the Embrosono. One can one problems are in if you know. Why not in say the Parliament a not a Danny Quamoa and sister court within Ujim. Young name. Now so, wow, Obacano, Queno, yes, we any paponi. And the message say, I'm a NDC. Send me NDC, send me MPP, and you know the Hamio. The Hammy and they said Ghana, they have problem. Now they NDC, MPP, so into me found solve problem. No. And I didn't see my friend, and I can't say, and can Supreme Court, everyone called Jim. Because now Parliament, I don't know more, you know. And a Parliament, so they are more, and a Constitution, so the Parliament, a woman, bro, not a more in some Becano, a war Parliament, if you what they are, court to the is and so they are formed in 40 about the cancer near Supreme Court, yeah, no, Nicomuno, and that's our not judges, Nankata, I am confused. Says Yano, your problem are a guy in my district, and you cry a fossil, and they appointed your judges, no. My can, the cry a fossil, and yet, you determine, I could say, Nipa, back on Sa. And Nipa back on the one year, no, I say, that 1992 Constitution, Secretary Project. Rollins, every president, and one or the Supreme Court, one more Parliament, Rollins time, a be by it. So I found one, Jim. Rollins, the key, here we are confirmed by it. So I found one, they allowed the system to work. Milk to buy it, why interfere. Mahama, Eba, Nidikain. Or interfere and just say Kenya Nanado, no. So I say, now, how many say, you were another lawyer. I would mean to say, in some Afenyo Markins, they call Supreme Court, and I can just call. Into a non example of Afenyo Markins, Bono Copo, the Europe, baby, and I'm almost who go to social media, I don't say, President in the after laying all a table get there. Now, after I tell me catch them all. Then you only if a social media only Diago. And the Bagbin camera and says, element, a year won't be there, no court, no correct, no cat no court. Or cat court to me, and if you say no mamu, or say, the political questioner, court to me, the political questioner. It's not another just to say, any political questioner, Supreme Court to recall. I think in a Supreme Court, and to me, who are a kitty, not almost say, kitty, not MPP, not a Ghana, near court, because you didn't say a court now. My every channel, yes, Rebecca. You are Santa Papa, and the Akida say, hey, you got it for. The way and a little breathing confidence and make you more. And also the Jamiaco Supreme Court. Now, when now, it is a national security minister, and the Akida said, Sabi, ha or minor. Argentina, a lawyer for name can Ghana Bar Association. One more Diano. It's someone who said, woman are on the protected and defend the Constitution. Ghana Bar Association in Penny Volume 1. Baby, Chief Justice Beckham, say yes, no matter one of Diano. It's a better, it's the Ghana Bar Association County. And Penny for now, no better Ghana Bar Association, no Brady Chemono. Come on, yes, sir. Who Brady, our Becca, and Tina Brady, a court so. Kenya show confusion. And I need you also a president Ekofa Obia NCC of Family Chief Justice. Nani Panobano no to select one be Jumano, boy. Dana make me say, okay, procedure idea appointing now. Yes, the Chief Justice, the most senior until a suitable person is appointed, no act. They remove that offending words until no. Now, yes, the most senior justice of the Supreme Court shall become the Chief Justice. That's all. You remove that until the guilty one, not the most senior. Obiang Betono. President Bieli bet to me, Abetsano. Now, Nientia, one to me, and then say, NDC bar, Emma NPP bar, Emma Wom. Avocato bar, a Bayamano. It is young Kamubi, and a problem no bad. I can't mean one. Yema. Presidential appearance, any partition and committee immediately. Yeah, amend the constitution, Now, why a pastor at the appointed Attorney General, Attorney General for some time now, Quadan, you do me. Yeah, lawyer for no, your respected seniority. Papa. The talk of will be after ready 12 years, 13 years, 15 years or back. No, be already 50 years, that's what. And Tasum. Obi already 15 years at the bar or now I'm panel. Now a compass called my dear. Then a beba. The beba say, you are president friend or say, we are all going to be the ultimate and you can't say me. You but you are president, you may name it, Don't know who here. It's a Attorney General appointment, and a Chief Justice appointment, yeah, sure, now you're na edu baby na say the general you see Chief Justice we too fine no or the Chief the most senior for powerful body me fine so no say ye ta can't say no ko amanka bua kra say ye kata no ejiwo can't say no obe too fine Chief Justice no be too fine o ko fa na chin jobia Obey judicial secretary that may took while, but since I hear Catano, I started here to my young king ho. My sister, Attorney General, when I pass to appoint Chief Justice, when I pass to appoint Speaker, when I pass to appoint. One thing you want to know, President name, your couple about, Benchiana, Mona, motorcycle, no. Mama my share no enfan to aba kebe atitem kebe o manu koso to ne koso na e man na kebe abeba be kin ato aba ne de bentia emo the crantie ne de amai plastic cities it is here no obi so na kwa to aba otumi prete ene mo amreme 1000 cities ne nko ne de ko eno ka ho e na ko no bo aba abenmu journalist Petro na anabibinya antana obeyeno ade odi envelope emano one five envelope amana onye obeyeko onye ni na ka ho na nye judge de bononko it is you are Bagbin o kata no Mr. That my tia okay lawyer where there everybody aka no kan where there me yo where there no na e na Omanu who said, yes, so you're shemu. Now, then, share my end here. Now, Wakaka said, a chanso in Booye, be Momayan Kata. You, say Bawumia, say Mahamadu, say Bediatuo, say Alan Cash, Momayan Kata, no more who says, say Tiano. Hello, the best people, ma'am. And one more year, I'm Fata, Rebecca. You, who better in a moment, yes. Not president, your man who sing now. On same constitution, we are all. Hello, lawyer. No one is above the law. No one, not even the president. Hello, lawyer. No one is above the law. Lawyer, Patrick Timinka. I'm Sakuran Timinka.
Yeah, first speaker voice we never had there.
Of the judiciary and executive, and I see them as interference in the workings of Parliament, pose a direct challenge to the essence, jurisdiction, authority, powers, and functioning of the esteemed institution of Parliament, which is the repository of the sovereign will of the people of Ghana. It is increasingly becoming clear the judiciary and the executive are seemingly colluding to weaken Parliament. The decision of the Ghanaian voters in the 2020 presidential and parliamentary elections is clear and loud to all discerning people. The decision is obviously a preference for a consensual and collaborative governance to a winner-take-all government. The majoritarian system of Parliament, where the minority have a say, but the majority have its way, was rejected by the voters. They rather opted for inclusivity, collaboration, consensus building, leaving nobody behind. The equal representation of the two major parties in Ghana, resulting in the composition of a hung parliament, to the voters is the better way forward for our dear nation. Ladies and gentlemen, recent acts of the judiciary and executive, and I see them as interference in the workings of Parliament, pose a direct challenge to the essence, jurisdiction, authority, powers, and functioning of the esteemed institution of Parliament, which is the repository of the sovereign will of the people of Ghana. It is increasingly becoming clear the judiciary and the executive are seemingly colluding to weaken Parliament.
Mame no ase lawyer mpacho akwa babiam. What am na me busa bibi na wonteme nka. De na me busa ne say what can be about say enkwada nketen ya point to omo na madwuma no say emranimfo no aya na seniority ye adwuma che hone ye mu ma me small boys na ya omo ba mu sa na ha adwen ana
papa say minia etere bia say penyi fie na Ogari ana efie nso ayeden
asa
na na say penyi wo fie nso na se wankasa ma ebusia no etimi tosi na ye won penyifo wo fie na ya pa o ma anya adwuma ni aye wa ba nka enura no eno ene beba na ni enti enura mi ti ni ya say na ye wa ba den o was agogodori nyina na over 30 years on na me nti enura me ni je mi dai pa ye benya akukudrufo na omo the constitution na no a minia yembre waka or say parliament aye na de na me ade no see October 18 make I me say Supreme Court bekasa o na law mu no yetimika say legislation be that was 30 book legal news and make I me say that decision here at the Supreme Court my Parliament and sign juma and I want to mean cite obia for contempt because one can understand then Dani Kwemuno one need jurisdiction ya can't dey aka one must one more now some may be saying say one more jurisdiction I didn't think for wura one more invoke jurisdiction in interpreted Article 1971 GNH. Temple for 10 pieces of bill, but me and my classmate with Talia. So weird. Ya invoke article no. Obi invoke article no. Eba no saying, na near Yewra, Makoko, ye invoke to say instances are Yewra Bagbin man run. Norma, a term acco, ye invoke article 97 G. Now, someone may be me who ran and say, and he said you project. Chief Justice Georgina Wood, no near Niana, no nim law nana. Chief Justice, former Chief Justice Kufu, also the year in there, on the when who, question near when who, Abanum woman who, SC24 and Attorney General Brasono. The law has been said. The DBA a political question, and such in Supreme Court because woman call her near the Getrude woman kata it go moving. It says instead there, the Catholic Supreme Court woman my decision there says there will be the woman ball because I feel respected rule of law. By young to me, Catholic, the very respected rule of law. One more year idea and yakura not blindly, Now you do my chief, me program that I mean yes, but at the whole name, yeah, mekan. And we are abbey, woman find yet the next time another majority leader at the Brita at the political question called two woman woman people on 10 them. Someone can't say majority leader and minority leader. You read. Then my fire and cost of him. Gyamfi boni. O pese o my kokun tokwa. Ntokwa nya India. Womun timi enya akukudu. No mo fam pushi sa no manu enfio. Na yen ko yenim. Enu nti na make say yen hwe na kwan a ye de epa wom no. Yen sisa na tebe ye tenye ejina president na ibeyi no. CCI Babi and President now. More said they are going to be accountable to us. Over preamble, the constitution now. We the people. And we the people, no, yes, sovereign authority, they are my parliament. And to make you are Bagbin, I say, Akukudu, Nra, na ultimate catastrophe, mine, now informed President, I or done again, okay. The Supreme Court did to me at the same say the other antenna. There did be for a feeling one more date here. No, be there or within 30 minutes. No matter also. Now, we are and yet, one them and powerful woman yet. So, in some with either. One more other cases that were my name. No, no, and right.
Yo, and Ra Speaker Saka say Mampeni any no Owusu executive no any judiciary no seemingly as o makambom no mo pese wotena parliament to council any de di kan any de toso mienu ni say afa the president ankasa any judiciary no so why ye bone etia constitution no some patch or no more repenting. Come you know me year no mammy.
Oh, that and then you may and then we are friend no one will use word they colluded and I'm there and not they're too strong a word. I don't think so because that executive judiciary if he colonial days then the colonial days. And I tell you that woman instruments of oppression, judiciary, executive, parliament, woman move about woman that I don't know. A in Pempi, you know, woman that I know what you want to do. So, now, mom, subversive, or kind. You know, they are giving you executive. Gyamfi you are president. Chieftaincy, Ufa chieftaincy, you are president. And sister Usi Ahimfo. Baby Wawa, Wamaya Tuo. Baby Wawa, with people for make us say a cropon, a crapping. Chieftaincy, and yet to crapping him. And I put your feeling, they were crapping. We crapping him, and I didn't pay him for. I didn't pay him for Aso Ano, and I can be a war. And he said, Yamini, because we will be a bomb and another record. On the prior or put room on the prior or the finding and Pata. Maybe hope you. As you said, a president who said, rule of law, me a car, said you that project, and yet our focus judges, a lawyer for no, now I respect the rule of law. This is to be your wife. I said, one more and for the on yet, Georgia said, and also expand the problem for the Council of State. Woman, you man is saying, I didn't think a power. One more young elder, why the power? President, many Captain Nanado, Constitution, no, Nanado 92, not yet president. And see, president, not one more back on. One more, including Nanado, no, one more, and one more compose the Council of State, no. All far and no, at the tune, Minister, Nipa Akufo, the Nipa Akufo, no, you'll be too dear action in fact. And the new president of Abano from day one, Mumayankata, no who said, Otuana Mombine ya, Ibitium. Na Kapa Wana, Edema president, no, the Chiafrica mills, $5 million, them Edema from Sapiado committee, Salmon Fishim, report no way. It is a Womaye, na in this one. Say, Nanado Abeye, Edi Achere, no, Mumaye, say, Nanado Mpolio, or a lawyer. Never Kwaku beyond the only lawyer, okay, say, me, there's a minimum law to make me the Amami at any dinner, no. At the normal P. Nepa, Nika, the thing. Womaye amend the constitution, no. Then I have Council of State for the instance. Yankata vote to Mawo. Me and my president who can view. On fast chairman. 90 December. Because I said, Ujari, Eco President, who could be Sano. Now, they are the kind of saying. In the constitution, you know, Oma would show, no, and Oma the agenda. And the day, and she said, no. Now, Osha, the president, the minister, any judges. The denom, the normal interpret, or my approach, and the confusion in here, and anything I hear about me, or Casano. And she said, hey, Titiano, Nado, will you need you, Wapong, or Babeco, and never to make the perfect, the Twaba, the Akaka, the Inti, Yamin Charlie, Nibraso, and the one more banner, and as you said, the story. You defend the constitution. They all the many Bagbin, and next week, I know, say Bagbin, say you be for Undrao, he said Bagbin, I said, near our best to be in lifetime. Parliament is very strong. A parliament is very strong, won't be to me, I protect it. Now, Yamida Kangwama, Iba Bagbin, is the next parliament, almost the better judges are. They should stand up to the constitution. The Nipano Banin now on Fatah. Mamma vetting Nipano Kora. They go, yeah, but they said nobody chief justice. As a parliament to me, it's John Ocasel. Lawyer for seniority. International constitution, you said the most senior shall act, and Castle may act. Now, my president. A window of opportunity, not a keke. There's a parliament and a different day. No mutumika say, Nipa ya modena pasi and yen chief justice no. On campaign in form Mongo campaign in form. Opinion of constitution is the most senior. Union in the most senior. Kenya, Chief Justice Torkornoo to condemn the teacher or Babu Bonino. In the paper. In the paper. A banner, Judge Bianiwa or Kwejuma Obesuru. Judge Bianiwa or Kwejuma only in the Hunya, the darko, a bed tono, or no to be Chief Justice. Now, Juma. Now 18 years as a high court judge, 18 years. Put a whole boho as high court judge. No, be already 13 years. You found I am the Supreme Court judge. Will be already 16 years. You found I am the Supreme Court judge. Or myself, or quite myself, you Momayan share on the year. Will be any of a for 30 years. Not the book, baby, make a time, judges, me being seen. I'm a woman, now I'm to me, Cano. One woman who find and can main stable or minor.
Lawyer, I no pay me that say, BBS, what I remember, Meton Safrel.
Okay.
Mr. What I remember, that say, BBS, Tribuma, Pacho Meton Safrel.
You, Damati, when you number no mano any year, Damati.
Menso, Medase, lawyer Kweku Annan, and what is 7 no, Ebo and Komono.
No, it for waiting and some abeto yaponoso because this news so and our head no. So we can subscribe ya Bawumia say we subscribe to the channel. Sanse hadie latest and hot news and Kwaramide Bremo. I feel you are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Now share my Ato Forson. Now we will be here now and somewhere also I will get a memoir. Also bet me at share what we have for here and some way now I will comment boxing Mubete Minkabu in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.